Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in character. When there is beauty in character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. बुक टाइटल परिवार को सुव्यवस्थित कैसे बनाएं? How to make the family structure organized. The connecting link between human and society is the family. Humans need to constantly work to improve and enhance their understanding, systems, capacity building, culture, etc. by virtue of karma. If one is out of practice and in the absence of these virtues, one cannot achieve success in any field of life. A well-planned system of living is a holistic practice and it cannot be seen in isolation. Validation of this theory requires a well-equipped laboratory where experiments can be conducted and facilitate us to arrive at a cognizant conclusion. The only such laboratory that is easily and readily available to us without putting in much effort is our family system. If one needs to learn and practice efficient social coordination, ease out difficult situations, improve external conditions around oneself, all such activities require endless experiences through a systematic approach. Which university is offering such coursework and how much time will it take to finish such curriculum? The answer lies in the fact that all these lessons and experiments are only available in the laboratory called family. If conducted with righteousness in mind, using moral philosophy, it will provide the proper equilibrium required for a prosperous society. Few excerpts from the book. Family is similar to a nation, and to take care of its safety, security, system, and the most crucial, progress, one requires the same skill set as needed in running a country. Following are some essential elements in both these systems. First, finance plays a vital role from a country's perspective. Similarly, from a family point of view, it requires a delicate balance between income and expense to avoid the vicious circle of debts. Second, home affairs play a crucial role in a nation's safety against enemies both inside and outside. Similarly, if the family's internal matter is carelessly handled, it will crumble the family structure in moments. Those heads who pay no heed in managing finances, domestic affairs, food supplies, quality of life, would eventually find family as a space for constant conflicts. The situation would be similar to an internal war that the world has witnessed in various countries. One can learn about various philosophies, theories, general knowledge, and arts during formal education. A practical solution is often not always by the book. It depends on circumstances and coordination between different entities. Therefore, it is necessary to understand the nature of the family structure and practice the same in real life. To know how one's thought process, character, personality, and acts affect others, one must be attached to such a society that is open for experimentations and presents an unbiased view on the same. You will not learn anything substantial from those who are with you merely for a selfish reason. As such, humans may be there with you for extracting some profit out of their relationship with you and therefore will not indulge in objective feedback. Instead, may give a false pretense to please you. Few topics covered in the book. The family means a cooperative family. The basis is symbiosis, progress and happiness. Extraordinary obligation associated with family, incorporating a sense of cooperation in families.